Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtab, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the editorial opinion page section of Hindu newspaper. Dangerous, fanciful. Next, the Anna Bhagya, Fesico, and Thinking Beyond Rise. Next, blurred lines. Next, restoring the World Trade Organization's crown jewel. On next, Modi's rubble-wise rupee foolish policy. Next, an attempt to regain a foothold. Next, bad loans at record low, but rights of still in the mix. Next, governor's post Tamil Nadu plea for abolition. Next, Singapore naval base. Next newspaper Indian Express in that broken ballot. Next climate of concern. Next heat is on. Next empowering the digital Nagrik. Next energy, energy, energizing the sciences. Next statistician are not stupid. Next look who's talking. Next with G20 presidency, India is an interesting partner on the international stage. Next newspaper, Hindustan Times, in that, can the climate be a pole issue? Next, NATO can help Delhi anchor Indo-Pacific. Next, power struggle rag on in politician family. Next, UCC is a constitutional obligation. Fulfill it now. Next, malaria jab marks a health landmark. Next newspaper Times of India in that numbers game. Next Delhi's Kiwi calculation. Next behind India's Bijli revolution. Next why they live. Next billionaires will be boys. Next are you living life like you chingam? Next newspaper business line in that the economics of selling dreams. Next sweet spot. Next what does India presence in SEO means? Next magical effects of experiment. Next the new revolution. Next state governments key levers in bridging digital divide. Next 20 years ago in that Maruti debut at 35 PC premium. Next Cecom selling stake in Wellspun Gujarat. Next Lupin promoters to sell 12.5% stake in New Bridge. Next newspaper Financial Express in that states has growth drivers. Next copying with an even Nino drought. Next all play and no work. Next a case of the past hunting the future. Next hanging by a thread. Next all under one roof. Next Mota Bahan. Next cars for one big happy family. Next newspaper Business Standard in that another China challenge. Next who can dethrone the US dollar. Next shaping political alliances. Next climate change, it's all about money. Next oceanic exploration in 2D. Next wild ride for Atto stock so far in FY24 as they burn rubber. Next unlisted market get a jolt from the blue. Next, Big Brother is watching, no let up in surveillance. Next, Utkarsh SFB goes against the grain GMP at 60%. Next, a good balance between returns and safety. Next, charging bulls chase up mutual fund average AUM in quarter 1. Next, no questions on taking money out of the market. Thank you for watching.